In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WordPress for free. The process is simple. Whether you're creating a personal blog or setting up a full website, downloading WordPress is your first step. To get started, open your web browser and go to wordpress.org, the official site where you'll always find the latest stable release and plenty of helpful resources. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Download WordPress button, which is usually highlighted right on the front page. At the time of this video, the latest version is WordPress 6.8.1, though newer versions may be available when you try it. Click the button and your download will begin automatically as a zip file. Once the file is downloaded, check your browser's default download folder, usually named Downloads. From there, unzip the file to reveal the WordPress installation package. These files will eventually need to be uploaded to your web server so you can start the installation process, but we'll cover that in a separate tutorial. Before you dive deeper into WordPress, it's helpful to have some basic knowledge of PHP and MySQL, since WordPress relies on them. You should also explore the wide range of themes and plugins, both free and premium, that can enhance your site's design and functionality. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded WordPress for free, and you're now one step closer to launching your website. Thank you for watching this video.